Hi guys, Jake's Girl here. We are going to be recording a video for my Jeep today. As you guys know, we got new tires put on, so she's got some new shoes, but we're going to be getting some new rims, and we're going to be doing a lift kit, which won't be until next week. But I got something fun in the mail, so why don't you guys come back with me over this way. We're going to open her up. And I got a special gift from one of my friends on Instagram, Rainbowlanespeed. Decided to give me a little something. Oh Lord, I have to figure out how to open this knife. It's Jake's. Alright, so let's see what he sent us. If I can figure out how to use this without cutting myself. Let's see. We'll just do a little bit. Oh look, I'm going to have to open it more. Why do I gotta be silly? Let's do it this way. Don't cut yourself with the Milwaukee knife. Alright. I get it out. It's stuck in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, he did something extra special for me. Look at that. How cool is that? Can you see the star?
It's a nice dimple die.
Yeah. And, I'm gonna hold it this way. This is to hold the PackOut or PackOut crate. And I think I'm gonna have the Jacob, I'll take it and get it powder coated. I think we're gonna do a blue to match. I think we're gonna mount it probably right there, I'm thinking. And then I can put a crate in there and it can hold some of my groceries. I think that's pretty cool. And we also got today one of my Mother's Day gifts from Bulletproof Mounting Solutions. He got me a GoPro Mount and a telephone mount for the middle of my dash, so you can see. So he's going to do a video on that later, so you guys will have to check it out, and I appreciate you guys watching. Bye!